What is up, YouTube? Here with a quick video today on how to wire your dash cam. So dash cams are becoming more or less popular for multiple reasons. It kind of just gives you general idea of what happens before, during, or an accident, any of that good stuff. Anyway, so here's how I wired mine. I went through up here. I literally just put my fingers, about the tip of my fingers, put the cord up there and just like kind of slid it in here. You can kind of see right there might be some. Just grab my nail, push it in, all the way through. Now there's a little bit right here exposed, a little bit of wiring, I don't really care, but you can always just tuck it into here if you wanted. To me it's not a big deal, I've already wired it and don't really feel like going back just for that little bit. So from there I stuck it in this black part right here. You can see that it's not exposed right here, right next to where the door is going to be. There's a little, it's exposed for just a moment right here, but not like anybody would see that. If I really cared that much, I could just, stick it back in there. But, you're not really gonna notice that unless you're looking for it. So from there, I went back in the black part right here. I went all the way till right here where you'll see that it's exposed once again. From there, I just stuck it underneath. There's gonna be like a, under the dash, there's gonna be this area, and right here there's like a little overhang. So I just stuck it through the overhang, went through right here. So the wire goes through there, and it went kept that for all the way under. It's again, I used my fingers and just kind of, stuck it in like that up until I finally got to right here, and then plugs into the dash. So quick video on how to wire your dash cam. So again, start up here, stick it in with the fingers. You can go through here. I didn't because I only have so much wire and it's kind of already pretty tight, so didn't have enough space to really get it perfect. But there's gonna be a little bit of wire exposed at where the dash goes up. If you wanted, you could fix this. That's an easy fix. Again, you just would grab it and just stick it in like that. Helps if you have nails. So put it through the black part right here. A little bit will probably be exposed right there. That's all right. Nobody's gonna notice it. Nobody's gonna notice right here either. It doesn't affect the door closing at all. If anything, it'll kind of give it a back area where nobody can kind of get in. And then under the dash up until you wire it right here, and then look at that. It's even better than it was a moment ago. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.